Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So it's a very good update for all Cardano holder. Absolutely, I know my brothers to Cardano will fails down and last 24 hour, and holders don't see my friend the short term. Definitely, my friend, after a dump they will take a very huge jump now. So I am so happy to absolutely my friend because the good jump is coming soon now. So I am really happy, my brother, and I am waiting for a good result now. I know, my brother, before closing this month, my brother, I know they will give me 155 USD dollar to 1.8 USD dollar, something like that price now. This is our target, and I hope they will hit now. My brother, after a short jump, my brother, you can see here after this short jump, they will again falls down, and again they will take a jump now. So I know, my brothers, to every coin will move, and this time to after a jump they will dump, and after a dump they will pump. So I know, my brothers, to upcoming time the price will be increasing more than more. And if you can see, my brother, especially from last 1 month, my brother, result, so I already found it, my brother, in the start of month they will starting moving upward, but again they will fails down, and in this time, my brother, in the mid of month they will very badly fails down, but in this time the last days of this month they will again starting moving upward and complete. You can see this is the all month result. So you can see, my friend, they will moving in upward direction. Definitely, my friends, they will moving in upward direction, and I hope in upcoming time they will also more and more moving upward. But if you hold it, so hold it. My opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Thanks for watching, Cardano holder. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type of informative updates videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.